Okay, so I'm gonna do a review of the Clear Protein Soda by Clean Simple Eats. I have all three flavors. I've already tried them all. I kind of made my opinion even yesterday and the day before. So here I'm gonna kind of try to do a rapid fire. Already, if you want my answer, that's my answer. Like I gotta think about it. This is not like a no-brainer. I love it. I'm gonna start drinking these Clear Protein Soda drinks every day. Um, because taste wise, it's still not at that like indistinguishable from notable soda like Coke or Sprite or Mountain Dew or Dr. Pepper. It's still like, it's actually, so it is carbonated as much as like a soda. It, the flavor is not like, the flavor is kind of like a B tier basic flavoring, right? So when you drink a notable soda like Coke or Sprite, it's a complex flavor, right? When you drink one of these, you're getting basic flavors, right? This is grape, this is lemonade, this is cherry lime. Like these aren't like and even Sprite, right? It's not a simple like lemon lime, right? It's not like a sparkling water with lemon lime. It's like, or Mountain Dew or Dr. It's like there's a lot of flavor there, right? This is basically like B tier flavoring: grape, lemonade, cherry lime. So I'll say that's one thing about like the flavor itself. And then the other con is that it still has a little bit of that like vitamin water slash chalky, like this is some kind of supplement drink like texture to it, like even taste kind of like a vitamin type taste and texture or whatever. Some people like to say it has like a chalky like uh, texture to it, and so that's true. So right, what's my review? I'll try them in a second. What's my review? I'm not in love with them, and they're pretty much $3 a can, even if you buy the 12 pack. That being said, I'm still kind of thinking about it. Why? Because like this is kind of an upgrade if you look at it as like as I'm trying to kind of like make a case for it, right? Like in my ideal world, I can reach in my fridge. I want a soda, and this is a guilt-free sort of thing, like sort of soda, and it has 10 grams of protein, with like no sugar, right? Like, yeah, maybe yeah. So that's like that's an upgrade, right? Like it's hitting that carbonated sort of desire for a soda, and it's also giving me some like sugar-free protein type thing. So that's a plus, right? Too bad it's $3 a can. I mean, if it was like $1 a can, I'd be like, go get it now. But for that price, it's like, and for the taste being kind of like B grade, like like vitamin, sort of chalky aftertaste, like simple level flavoring, right? Just like lemon flavor, grape flavor, right? It's not like some boom, like some cool soda flavor, right? It's not like a Mountain Dew or something. For those reasons, I'm like, eh. But the reality is, right? Like if you were like hoping for this to be like a soda, it's not. At the same time, here I'm gonna try them real quick. I think my favorite's the grape one so far. That's my favorite. If I had to pick, I'll go try this one. I tried this one first. I was impressed. Like that's pretty good. In like a B grade kind of way, that's pretty good. It's almost kind of like a vitamin branded cherry, like cherry lime Sprite kind of thing. Okay, I think that's my second favorite. I think my first favorite is the grape one. And then the one I really can't get behind is the frosted lemonade. Let's try it again. Smells good though. It's like almost there. Like right at the beginning, it's like, ooh, lemony. But then it kind of hits you with like, this is just like some chalky, like chemically tasting type thing. Yeah, it kind of tastes like other protein sodas that I didn't like. It's still better than those. I think it's because they put so little protein to this, just so much like a can of a carbonated soda that it like almost gets by. But this one's like the most like chemically tasting. Still, it's I think the best. These three are the best of all the protein sodas I've tried. This one is the worst of the three. But try it for yourself if you want. The grape one, let's try it. I'm excited. This review's going well. Let's just get through this. Two things. One, yeah, that's still my favorite. It's kind of like a grape Fanta. Like, it's like a deceptive. It's like a B grade grape Fanta with some of that vitamin chemically chalky aftertaste, and it's very much B grade. Like, but still, like I said, if you can reach in your fridge, get one of these, and you feel better about it because it's no sugar and 10 grams of protein, however small that amount is, it's pretty cool. Especially if you have the budget. I'm not in love with it, but that's where I'm at. So before I wrap this up, I'll say, here's one thing I tried that I think makes me like the drinks more. Still, I'm not in love with it. I can't see myself being a lifelong subscriber of these things, but I still want to see protein sodas become a thing. That way I get soda and it's healthy. Okay. If I go like half and half with the protein soda and like let's say a sparkling water, actually makes it better because it reduces the amount of like that vitamin chalky, like sort of like chalkiness, that sort of chemically vitamin kind of texture and flavor thing going on, makes it crispier. Right? Because if you ever have like a flavored sparkling water, you know, sometimes they're pretty much just like really crispy water with a hint of taste. Since this is already bringing taste, adding some of this like crispens it up. Crispens it up. So here's what I'll do. Real quick, I'll go like half a glass with my favorite flavor, and then add like maybe a quarter of this kind of neutral citrus flavored sparkling water. And this review's already gone longer than I wanted, but we're wrapping up. Here's what I'm gonna do. Try this with like a quarter, like a 4-to-1 ratio or whatever, like whatever I just did, and then I'll drink some. Then I'll add more and kind of go into a half and half, and just tell you how that goes. What I think is kind of cool about this is if you ever feel like a can is not enough liquid, I like to drink a lot. Now you kind of get, you know, effectively you're getting 2 cans worth of drink. And this is, in my head, water. So now I'm getting protein and water. And I get a lot of liquid. Like, so I'm pretty excited about that, but there's kind of the obstacle of like, do I really want to be cracking 2 cans open every time I want to drink? And like, whatever, here we go. I'm surprised. I didn't like this mixture. I think when I did it yesterday I think I did I might have done the cherry lime with like a blood orange sparkling water. I don't know, it was pretty good. When I mix them, the taste just gets better. It's because, like I said in the start, the flavor's B tier. It's not there. It's very simple. It's like it's B level flavor in terms of intensity and texture and all that. So when you mix it with a really crispy, barely flavored, pretty much just aromatic sparkling water, what you get in the end is a crispier like drink. It reduces that chemically sort of crappiness, and at the same time, it ups the amount of flavor that you would get in just a regular sparkling water. So it decreases the crap and increases the flavor. Yeah, so in that way, it's like kind of good. I wasn't really feeling that though. I think the grape and the citrus flavor just they didn't really mix well. But yeah, I like that. I'm not kidding. Like yesterday when I tried it, I was like, this kind of tastes like a Fresca. And right now, I still kind of like, I don't know. I don't love it, but I like it. I don't love it, but I like it. And ideally, I was gonna like do a thing where I try all of these with a little bit of some sparkling water and blah blah blah. Well, this video's going too long. I'll just wrap it up. Here I'm going like kind of half and half. And we'll just see how it goes. Yeah, that's right. That right there. Let me tell you what you get. This is pretty great. It's like you're getting a really refreshing kind of Fresca type drink, but it's not as syrupy. It's like way more cold, crispy. I mean, I have a ton of ice and it's super chilled. It's like a really crispy carbonated drink. A little bit of flavor. It's like lightly flavored, kind of like a Fresca, but not like lightly flavored like a sparkling water. Like just not like super syrupy like a sugary soda, but you get some flavor there. And then mentally, I think I'm drinking a can of water and I'm drinking like another can of water with 10 grams of protein. And that, in my head, is a win. So, yeah, that's the review. Sorry that they're like $3 a can, but I'd say try it. I'd say try it. I'd say try mixing it with the sparkling water that you think the flavors will pair well. Maybe like a grape one and a grape one or something. And I think, yeah, of the two flavors, I'd try these two. They're really, just pick whichever one you want. They're very comparable. I like the grape one, I think, but maybe like I'll switch like after a while these two. I would say probably stay away from the lemon one. And yeah, that's it.